Extract packages allow you to run multiple extracts using a single operation. They are application-specific and can include both file and Excel-based extracts. You can also choose to combine extracts of the same type into a single file in the package output. For example, you can create a multi-section data file with different sets of columns by combining the output of multiple text file extracts. You can use extract packages for both user reporting and data integration purposes. Users with owner or metadata manager permission on at least one dimension in an application can create extract packages. Inspect the application that you want to create the extract package for, then select the Extract Packages tab. I'll create an Excel extract package for user reporting. Click Create to start a new extract package. Enter a name and optional description, then click Create. On the General tab, click Edit to specify extract package options. By default, extracts in the package are output in a zipped file. When you disable zip packages, the extract package is zipped as follows. When running the package to a connection, or when you use EPM Automate or the REST API to run the package to a staging area, the extract package is not zipped. This prevents the need to unzip the extracted files after writing them. When running the package to a local drive, if the package creates multiple files, the output is still zipped. If the package creates a single file, the output is not zipped. For extract packages that you want to run to a global connection, you can specify a name and any parameters for that connection. Select Combine Extracts if you want to have one or more extracts in the package combined into a single output file. Only extracts of the same file type, text or Excel, can be combined into a single file, and an extract package can only contain one combined file. The other files can still be included in the extract package as separate files, but they cannot be combined. Specify a file name and optional header and footer for the combined file. Save your general options, then select the Extracts tab to add extracts to the package. You can select any public extract in any dimension in the application for which you have owner or metadata manager permission. If you selected Combine Extracts on the General tab, for each extract that you want to combine into a single output file, select Combine Extract. For extracts with the Excel file type, by default, the extract package uses the sheet names that are defined for each extract. You can enter different sheet names in Package Sheet Name. Optionally, enter a package extract header to be displayed at the top of the combined file, and use the Exclude Original Extract Header and Exclude Original Extract Footer options to exclude the column or custom headers and footers of the original extracts. Repeat these selections for each extract you want to combine. Extracts are output to the file in the order in which they are listed in the inspector. To change the order, click the Actions menu for an extract and use the Reorder options. When you're done defining your extract package, click Save, then close the inspector. For user reporting, you can run extract packages to a local downloaded file from the Reports page. To run a package, you must have owner or data manager permission on all the dimensions in all the extracts in the extract package. I'll download the combined Excel extract package that I created. Notice that because I disabled zipped output for this package and all extracts are combined into a single file, the output for the package is a single Excel file. The custom package header is displayed on the first worksheet, and the worksheets are named and ordered as defined in the extract package. Next, let's look at an extract package for data integration. This extract package outputs planning dimensions to CSV files. Although I can download the output locally, it's configured with a global connection to my planning instance. Notice that the zip package option is not selected, and the extracts are not combined. To output an extract package to a global connection, run it from the Applications page. Open the Actions menu for the application, then select Extract. On the Extract Packages tab, select the extract package that you want to run. In Settings, select whether to run the extract package to the global connection specified in the extract package definition or to a local drive. Before running, you can click the extract package name or any individual extract name to inspect or edit it. Click Run Package. After running the extract package, the results are displayed in the History section. Let's check the target planning instance. The extracts are saved as individual files to the planning inbox, ready for me to import into my planning application. This video is part of a video learning series on extracting data in Enterprise Data Management. Click the link for the next video or check the description for links to the entire series. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.